Next we're going to look at disc and spreader vane condition. So basically when we're looking at the spreader discs on the machine, we need to check for rock and play within the discs to make and that they are accurate from right to left. As well as that, then of critical importance, we have to look at vane condition within the disc. So like that then is the vane is the actual transport mechanism of the spreader onto the field. Where we need to look for on it is pitting within that vane and looking at that, because what this is going to do in the field is that basically it's going to limit the spreadability of the product, because the fertiliser isn't going to get to the full length of the disc before leaving it. It's going to travel 80% of the way and then leave the vane, which is going to cause spreading issues within the fertiliser. The reason that we have to change vane settings is because every product that we spread throughout the year has different spreading characteristics. A big reason why this occurs is down to bulk density of the product. What bulk density is the weight of the given product in a given container. To explain this, what I have is 3 different products with 3 different bulk densities within 500 ml water bottles. This bottle of Protect Urea is roughly going to weigh about 400 grams, whereas the bottle of 18612 is going to weigh 500 grams and the soil conditioner is going to weigh 600 grams. The difference within the same container within these products then means they're going to have different spreading characteristics, and it's something that we have to be very conscious of going forward with the products that we choose when we're spreading on the day.